Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to help your child with mathematics. First, patience is a key. When it comes to teaching your child math, many parents tend to scold them. However, it's important not to do this. Instead, practice patience when teaching your child. Second point, teaching concept and example. Start by teaching fundamental math concept. After that, solve 2 to 3 examples related to each concept. It's crucial that your child remain focused during this process. Third important thing is observing and correcting. The next step is to ask your child to solve the remaining example independently. Observe them closely while they work on these problems. If they solve them correctly, that's great. But if they make mistakes, don't intervene immediately. Wait until they finish the example. And last point is guided corrections. Once they have completed the example, point out where they made a mistake. Show them the correct way to solve it. And ask them to identify their errors. When they understand their mistakes, they will become more confident in tackling similar problems. Conclusion. By following these teaching methods, your child is more likely to excel in mathematics and become a top student. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.